You know that sinking feeling when you open a design tool and suddenly your amazing app idea feels impossible because you're staring at a wall of buttons, panels, and options you don't understand? Well, I've got some news that's about to change everything about how you bring your ideas to life. While everyone else is spending hours wrestling with design software and trying to figure out what makes a good user interface, there's actually a way to create stunning, professional-looking designs in minutes. And no, I'm not talking about those generic templates that make your app look like everyone else's. Let me show you how I turned a simple idea into a design that looks like it came from $1 million startup. I decided to create something called FlipSkills, a platform where people can trade skills instead of paying for expensive online courses. Think about it. You teach guitar. Someone else teaches you Spanish. No money involved, just pure knowledge exchange. The key was being specific about the problem in my project settings, helping people who want to learn but can't afford expensive courses, connecting them with others who have valuable skills to share. Then I set up my visual design choices, such as color and font. When I described the page I want to the AI, I kept it simple. A home page where people can find skill exchanges, show what I teach, what I want to learn, and browse other people's skills. Make it feel like a friendly community marketplace. That's it. 2 sentences. No technical jargon, no complex specifications about layouts or color schemes. The AI then asks smart questions about things I hadn't even considered, like whether to include call to action buttons and how to handle a long list of skills. The results were absolutely mind-blowing. The AI created a beautiful interface with dual search functionality, professional-looking profile cards, and interactive features such as adding skills. The typography was perfect, the spacing was professional, and everything adapted beautifully to mobile devices. It looked as polished as platforms created by large professional teams. But here's where it gets really powerful. Iteration is incredibly easy. When I realized I needed to add more trust-building features, I simply asked for a verification system and success stories section as well as a hero section at the top. The AI immediately understood the context and added these elements in a way that felt natural and professional. It even figured out how to display before and after photos that made sense for skill learning. Now, once you have that first page looking perfect, here's the game changer. You can use it as a reference to create consistent follow-up pages. I wanted to build a user profile page, so I selected my home page as a reference and told the AI to keep the same navigation style and color scheme, but adapt the layout for showing individual user skills, reviews, and availability. The result? A completely different page that felt like part of the same professional product, same design language, same level of polish, but perfectly suited for a different purpose. This is how real product teams work. They establish a design system and apply it consistently. Now anyone can do this without years of design experience. The impact of this technology goes way beyond just making pretty interfaces. Think about all the brilliant solutions that never see the light of day because people get stuck at the design phase. Now, anyone with a good idea can create professional-looking designs that people will take seriously. We're going to see solutions to problems we didn't even know we had. Local community issues, niche market needs, accessibility challenges, all because the barrier to entry has been lowered from learn complex design software to explain your idea clearly. So here's my challenge to you. Take that idea you've been sitting on, the one you keep talking about but never actually build, and turn it into something real. The tools exist now to transform your vision into a professional-looking product. The only difference between an idea and a real solution is taking that first step, and that step just got a whole lot easier.